Good boy.
Cream of corn?
Yeah.
Kiko, we saw earlier today complete paralysis in the city of Tokyo. We're talking 13 million people, 30 million if you're talking greater Tokyo. Give me a sense of the subways and earlier what it was on the road.
You like that? Kenzie?
Yes.
You like that?
Yeah.
Is it good?
How's that taste?
Yeah. Mom's putting it up your nose. Is it good? Kenzie? 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 Is it good? Is it good? Yeah? That's good.